How to filter data based on specific font size in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent trick that will help you filter data based on font size. We have filtered data based on a lot of things but never filtered data based on font size. Let's get started. Take a look at column A. We have different font sizes here. We have font size of 16, font size of 11 and font size of 22. Okay, and I want to filter data based on font size 22. Okay, so we have same font, Calibri font, but we have different font size, and I want to filter column A based on font size 22. How can you do that? There is no direct straightforward way, but there is a trick and I'm going to show you that. I'm going to use find and replace feature first. So I'm going to press Ctrl F, click on this format. If I click here, choose format from cell and select directly the font size or the font we want to filter out. Okay, then I'm going to click on find all. Okay, now all the cell that has same font size is now listed. If I press Ctrl A, they are now selected. Now if I change the fill color to yellow and close this, the first part is done. Now I'm going to select any cell within our dataset and then press Ctrl Shift L. That will add filter to our dataset. Okay, now from the name filter drop down, here we have an option filter by color. And if I click on this cell that we have just colored, all the cell that has specific font size, which is 22, we converted their fill color to yellow and then format it in that way. Now I can select them and change the fill color to no fill. Now you have successfully filtered data based on font size in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you knew this trick, please let me know. And if this trick is new to you, please let me know also in the comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.